If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Hue in Photoshop represents the color in an image layer. Saturation in Photoshop represents the color intensity. You can use the hue and saturation adjustments in Photoshop to change the color and color intensity of a selected raster layer or smart object layer in the Layers panel. To adjust the hue and/or saturation of a selected raster layer or smart object layer in the Layers panel of Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Hue/Saturation from the menu bar to show the adjustment settings in the Hue/Saturation dialog box that opens. Then make sure the Preview checkbox in the dialog box is checked to preview your changes. Alternatively, to apply this adjustment as an adjustment layer above the layer currently selected in the Layers panel, click the Hue/Saturation button in the Adjustments panel to add a new Hue/Saturation adjustment layer to the Layers panel and show the same adjustment settings in the Properties panel. To apply a preset hue or saturation adjustment, select its name from the Preset dropdown. Alternatively, to select a range of colors to adjust, select the name of the color range to adjust from the following dropdown. To then change the color of the selected color range, click and drag the hue slider left or right. To instead change the saturation of color in the selected color range, click and drag the saturation slider left or right. To instead change the lightness of the selected color range, click and drag the lightness slider left or right. Alternatively, to both select a color range and then change the color range by clicking and dragging, click the Click and Drag in Image to modify saturation, Control+Click to modify hue button. This is the button that looks like a hand pointing at arrows in the Hue/Saturation dialog box or the Properties panel. To then select a color range and change its saturation, click into the desired color range in the preview image, and then drag left or right. Then release the mouse button when the selected color range is the desired color intensity. Alternatively, to select a color range and change its hue, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Then click into the desired color range in the preview image and then drag left or right. Then release the mouse button when the selected color range is the desired color. If you select a specific color range, that range appears selected within the two rainbow gradients at the bottom of the dialog box or panel. The top gradient shows the selected color range in the original image, and the bottom one shows the change you apply to that range. To expand or restrict the color range to change if needed, click and drag the markers in this section. This lets you change adjacent color ranges at the same time, like both the magentas and blues, for example. Alternatively, to sample a color range, add colors to a selected color range, or subtract colors from a selected color range, click either the eyedropper tool, Add to Sample, or Subtract from Sample button, and then click in the preview image to select a color range, add to a selected color range, or subtract from a color range, respectively. You can only apply one change to one selected color range at a time. You cannot apply one color change to two non adjacent color ranges at the same time, but you can make multiple color changes in one adjustment. Optionally, to use the Hue/Saturation dialog box or Properties panel to colorize the selected layer with a single color, check the Colorize checkbox. Then click and drag the Hue, Saturation, and Lightness sliders to colorize the layer's content by setting the colorization color, color intensity, and lightness. To apply the hue and saturation adjustments if using the dialog box, click the OK button. Alternatively, to cancel the adjustment, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.